Everyone, today I want to do a little, tiny unboxing and a little bit of for the Daytona jack stands. These are little pads, and these prevent it from getting damage under your underbody, so it won't get damaged. And the model number of this guy is 59432, and this said they'll slip and oil resistant. It's a 2-pack, and they go for like $9, $9. And yeah, so we're gonna insert it on this jack stand. It's a 3-ton. They only sell it for 3 tons, and it says for use for only the 3-ton jacks. So yeah, so if you want to get these pads, use it only for the 3 tons. And let's start unboxing this. And sorry about the noise. I got a dog playing with a little water bottle. All right. So give me a second. Let me get this guy opened up. Okay, so after flipping that box, and I wrapped around it, so. All right, so here we got one of them. And see how it has this little curvature here. And it says Daytona on it. And see how this guy has just, I am using a 3-ton. So all you gotta do is just slip it on here. Put some pressure. Let's see. And it's a little tight squeeze, so you might have to force it in there. Yeah, these guys don't. And the good thing is they do have little clips on it, but it should clip in there. So you might have a little fight with it, but there we go. See, it grabs on there. This looks like it's a little lower over here. But see, it grabs on there. And it won't damage under your vehicle. So I'll show you how under here in a couple minutes. Yeah, but they look kind of well. And we'll see how they function. They shouldn't damage under the vehicle, honestly. But, since that's what they are for, to protect the undercoating. So, it won't, because, if you just use it the way it is, you could probably start rubbing off the paint, and then later it can start forming rust. And if you want a car and you want it to last forever, it's better to have these pads, honestly, so you won't damage the undercoating. So yeah, here in a bit, we'll use it. Let me install the other one, and yeah, we'll get started. You can see the pads are doing their job. They're not scratching up the body work, which is good. And always look for, like, I'll take them off here, and I bet you won't even see scratches. I mean, that will keep the sucker from rusting up. So after using the little pads on the jack stand, you see it doesn't damage much of the subframe or the differential. It doesn't cause any rust or anything. So in my opinion, for $9, I can't remember, it's not bad. In my opinion, it's honestly good to have. If you want to keep that car rust free and everything, you don't want to scratch it under, perfect. The only thing that stinks is that they only sell it for the 6-ton. They don't sell it, 6-ton, 3-ton. I wish they would have sold on the 6-ton, that option too. That would have been nice, since I wish they sell it for almost every ton, but they only sell it for the 3-ton. But it'd be nice if they had it for the 6-ton and the 12-ton. That'd be really nice if they did that. If they give these pads. But yeah, keep an eye out. And I also don't know if they go on sale at Harbor Freight. They could, but it's never bad to have a pad and keep your undercoat protected, so it won't cause any more rust, if or doesn't damage under there. And this is really, it looks like it grabs a good grip, doesn't make anything slip. So yeah, overall it's worth it. And besides getting these little pads, to give you a couple little inches, maybe an inch or two, maybe like 1/4 of an inch, maybe, or maybe half an inch. It's definitely worth it. Just get one. It's not bad to have one.